Alright, hands up. Give me all your money. Now.
What international? Betty, is this one of those street performers?
Doesn't look very talented, Joe. He's got his act all wrong.
Hey, this isn't a joke. Hand over your money. Or something else.
Or else? What, kid? You gonna squirt me with that toy gun of yours?
It is not a toy. It's very real. Now, do as I say.
Oh no, Joe! He might shoot us with his real gun.
Betty, this fella wouldn't scare a squirrel.
I meant it. Don't mess with me.
Joe, man, does your mother know you are out here playing pretend?
What? No, I mean, that's none of your business.
Betty, I think this kid's bluffing.
Bluffing? Oh, Joe, he's not bluffing. He's trembling.
I'm not trembling. I just remember I left the oven on.
What a performance! Think we should call it in?
Oh, let him go. He has already done his lesson.
You got that right. Now let's go home. I'm hungry for some cookies. Ya está. ¿Eh? I forgot to open my mouth.